More now, for you all looking for the best Igbo ladies to marry, ndị ọkụfa na-eti gbaa. Just know that nnukwu nwanyị bụ nnukwu alụsị agbara. Mmụọ so ya dị plenty, and you are the chief spiritual officer once she hands you the baton. So if you are an uninitiated, aka Ofeke, all that glitters may be too much gold for you in this case. Better go and marry from a place that does not have more and leave our agbara nwanyị for us. Because her Orammo, especially the Ikenga that had maintained her before you bumbled into her path, will not tolerate an inactive Ikenga. 20 pounds says it won't work. Another 20 pounds says she'll die untimely, so that she can reincarnate quickly, swearing never to make the mistake of marrying a non-Dibia ever again. I know they curse you. If she doesn't want to die untimely, she must turn full evil and grow a penis on top of her head to protect herself. Leave our Abaranwais for us. Leave our strong Monwais for us if you want to be a brainwashed Ofeke. Don't stop streaming Holy Ezumezu. It is an Igbo for tutorial. Yeah, guys.